We are excited to introduce Ultimate Dock by CharJenPro, the world's smallest and portable USB-C desktop dock. Finally, all the features and capabilities of a desktop docking station without the heavy bulk. Work anywhere without compromise. It is 80% lighter and 70% thinner than traditional desktop units with no power brick needed. Ultimate Dock weighs only 1/6 of a pound and it outperforms desktop units. Compatible with all USB-C laptops, tablets, and phones, such as the MacBook Pro, Windows laptops, and much more. The utility and elegance you expect from CharJenPro. Ultimate Dock's groundbreaking size is made possible with intuitive engineering and design. Our two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports are twice as fast as traditional USB 3.1 ports. Most hubs and docks output 4K only at 30 Hz video through HDMI. Ultimate Dock exceeds that with 4K at 60 Hz for crystal clear and ultra smooth picture. With professional photographers and videographers in mind, we implemented the fastest SD 4.0 card reader and micro SD 4.0 card reader available, featuring 100 watts of power delivery to fully charge any device. Gigabit Ethernet is fast. With stable internet connection, say goodbye to hanging docks with a long 9-inch cable, 3 inches longer than the standard, and the added convenience of a 3.5mm headphone jack. With the most comprehensive ports, Ultimate Dock is the last USB-C dock you will ever need.
The Super Hub has magnetic USB-C connectors, allowing you to connect dual 4K monitors to either MacBook or Windows laptops. When connected to a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, the Super Dock supports dual 4K monitors at 60 Hz via HDMI. The Super Dock is also future-proof to allow you to connect dual 4K screens when connected to the next generation of Windows laptops packed with DP 1.4. The 10-in-1 Super Dock also has two USB-A ports allowing you to connect in external devices. It's equipped with one USB-C port with 100 watts power delivery, one USB-C port allowing you to connect external devices in, one 3.5mm audio jack, 1 GB Ethernet port for high-speed internet connection, and SD, micro SD card readers for transferring your data, videos, or photos. The Super Dock is a small and easy to transport device that doesn't compromise on functionality. With the Super Dock, you now have a portable workstation capable of delivering all the performance you need, whether you're at the desk or on the go. Designed and engineered for universal compatibility across all USB-C enabled computers, phones, or tablets. The 10-in-1 USB-C Super Dock provides access to all of the most popular ports required for use at home, office, or on the go. We're asking for your support in helping us reach our goal. On behalf of ALOGIC, we thank you.
So, you've got the hottest new MacBook. Then you find out you can't connect any of your stuff. So you think, I'll just need a dongle. Then it turns out you actually need more dongles. All you need is AllHub, the best hub for your new MacBook and most of the Type-C smartphones. AllHub has so many ports, and it supports up to 100 watts USB power delivery. And you can charge your smartphone wirelessly. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports for charging your multiple devices and super fast data transfer. A 4K HDMI output. Yes, I said 4K. SD card and micro SD card slots. It has an Ethernet port, up to 1000 megabits per second. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone line in port. AllHub works perfectly on your smartphones. Transfer data or simply charge your devices. It's also very small and lightweight, so you can take it wherever you go. And turn your smartphone into a computer anywhere you go. AllHub is covered by aluminum housing, so it's tough and durable. That's what she said. AllHub, the hub that satisfies all you need.
Targus presents the USB-C travel dock, Targus Dock 412. Make your mobile life easier with a lightweight and compact Targus Dock 412. Expand your laptop into a workstation and keep all your peripherals charged and ready to go at all times. Forget about drivers. Targus Dock 412 uses USB-C alt mode technology, rendering it compatible with just about any USB-C device: Windows 10, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. Lightweight and small, Targus Dock 412 packs plenty of video options. Thanks to the mini DisplayPort, HDMI, and VGA, you will be able to turn your device into a workstation, anytime, anywhere, on the go or in the office. With 60-watt power pass-through capabilities, you can charge your laptop and your connected accessories all at the same time. It doesn't matter where your journey takes you, presenting, working on the go, or simply relaxing at home. Targus Dock 412 has got you covered. Targus Dock 412 comes packed with additional features and functionality. Gigabit Ethernet for robust connections, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and 1 USB Type-C port. Expand your device into a workstation on the go with Targus Dock 412.
Meet Plugable's smallest docking station, the Cube. The tiny but mighty docking station. The Cube provides HDMI, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and Ethernet ports, all connected to your laptop through a single USB-C cable. HDMI. Connect a 4K monitor and extend your desktop without having to extend your desk. USB. Plug in your peripherals like a thumb drive, keyboard, or mouse. Gigabit Ethernet. Faster, secure, and more reliable than a wireless alternative. Connect your laptop with ease on the go. Plugable's tiny but mighty docking station. The Cube.